Bringing change anywhere is really hard. If only one person changes and 100 people don't, then it's difficult for the change to really be lasting. But to create a way to influence an entire community of people and to have them appreciating and even working more together, it's really hard. But when you get it, when you make it happen, it's really good.
It is very important in my life to involve with Nepal SEED, to start doing great work together with our great donor. Where I grew up, a small village, lower Everest region, there was no running water, no road, no electricity. I think about sometimes my childhood, where I grew up, no shoes. And so when I see those falling apart school, they are not really far from Kathmandu, maybe 50 miles south, north or east. So when I visit those schools, that remind me and my childhood, how I grew up, how important was the school system, because I went to school underneath the tree because there wasn't any school building.
We approached various organizations and local offices seeking support to construct a school building, but none were able to assist us. We were so happy that SEED Nepal provided the help we needed.
SEED Nepal helped build the new building and provided backpacks for each student. All the students are excited to study in the new school. The community is asking about the new building and are eager to send their children to study.
We never thought our children would get a chance to study in such a nice school. Even though we didn't go to school, we are very happy and proud of our children.
Building school also important, but as well as quality teacher. So Nepal SEED always looking for good quality teacher, local teacher, who knows the area, who got the license, and that's a really important part. We found out this one of the great teacher, Saraswati, lost her job. And so I was really sad because I know her and she was a good teacher. We heard from the locals, she was a powerful teacher. She knows how to encourage parents to send their kids to school. And so Nepal SEED decided to hire her again. So this new school, it's a lucky school.
We
currently have over 22 teachers in 15 schools. We also distribute school supplies and provide lunch to the students. As a result, the academic performance has greatly improved.
In
Bandevi Basic School, they have classes from 1 to 5. After completing class 5, students used to stop attending school. They would stay home, look after their siblings, look after their cattle and do household and field works. When SEEDS started the scholarship program, parents had the opportunity to continue their children's education to +2 level. The scholarship program was a big support for them. The parents also realized they should send their children to school. I work in construction, and it was very difficult to send my children to school. SEED Nepal supported my children's desire to continue their education. They had to walk a long distance for around 2 to 3 hours to the nearest school. Now, because of SEED Nepal, they live near the school and can focus on learning.
Now that we are connected to the internet, technology is opening up new ways for us to teach. It allows us to provide visual explanations, which helps students understand better. It is easier and quicker for students to understand and learn. The students are excited and happy about learning, and it has made a big difference in their progress. We are able to coordinate more effectively with students because of technology. Teachers can use visual methods to explain lessons and help students understand more effectively. The visual tools also help students learn more quickly and clearly.
The children can learn more quickly and effectively by looking at the visuals and pictures. Their mental reasoning capacity improves a lot. They can understand what the teachers are teaching from the textbook. They can see the visuals and share to their friends what they have learned.
In the past, we had to carry water from far away. Now, thanks to SEEDS Nepal, every home in our community has access to clean drinking water. We can now drink safe water, feed our cattle, and irrigate our farms to grow vegetables. We are truly grateful to SEEDS Nepal for providing this essential water facility.
Before Nepal SEED involved, there was a lot of water hauling. It takes maybe half hour to go down, coming up 1 hour, maybe 5 or 4 in the morning to go down to the natural spring, carrying the water up. And kids also help parents. So kids go to haul the water, and so they have to provide the drinking water for their water buffalo, their oxen, their cows, or their goats, not only for human. They have to provide also for the animal. And so Nepal SEED built rainwater harvesting system, clean drinking water system for the local people. So the kids, they can go to school, and so they can have a running water at home.
We used to walk more than 2 hours to fetch water, and sometimes the sources would dry out. The children didn't have time to attend school because they had to spend hours fetching water. Now, thanks to SEEDS Nepal, water comes directly to every home in our community.
The water project has been a great help in my village as well. Every home now has a water tap, and children have time to attend school.
We collect all vegetable, kitchen, and other organic waste and use it to produce biogas. The byproduct from the biogas is a good organic fertilizer, which we use in crops like cucumber, pumpkin, and cauliflower to get a healthy, high yield. Before, we used to collect firewood from the forest, which harmed the environment. Now, with biogas, we no longer rely on firewood and avoid harmful smoke.
We work with the local carefully. So local can send us the request. So we partner the project, working with them. They can touch, they can feel, they can share. And so they make the decision. The local have to make the decision, not us. So that's really, really important. Why we last 27 years, why we are proud of 27 years, and why we are very successful. Because the success is the partnership. When you want to make your foundation success, It's you have to get along, work together to understand their side.
The village home clinic has been very beneficial. In the past, people had to call a doctor even for basic issues, but now, thanks to Nepal SEEDS, they receive free medical services.
SEEDS Nepal has contributed greatly to various sectors, and it would be even more impactful if they could support village health posts and clinics with essential equipment. Having proper medical tools would allow for early treatment, improving overall healthcare in the community.
I would like to thank Nepal SEEDS for their valuable support. Nepal SEEDS has provided employment for my daughter at a time when many youths are going abroad for work. Now we understand that education is the only way forward. We request an increase in the number of teachers and a focus on improving their teaching skills to enhance the quality of education.
One dedicated individual worked tirelessly to raise support and build this organization from the ground up. KP Kafli gave me the opportunity to be part of SEEDS Nepal and its mission.
I'm really proud of Nepal SEED because Nepal SEED is providing great education for girls in different part of Nepal.
Things changed because when I first came here 21 years ago, there were almost no girls that stayed in school through grade 12 and got to be teachers in Nepal SEED schools. Real change means society has to change, their personal lives have to change, and so many things in between. Now it's okay for girls to continue in school. They don't have to get married when they're 13 or 14 years old. It's acceptable for them to have a career, be a teacher or be an accountant or be in finance. And those are really world-changing things.
I would like to thank SEED Nepal for being my reason of this success today where I am. I'm a nurse today working in a hospital, and I feel very proud that I am part of this organization. It is truly an enticing opportunity for me to be part of this organization. I would like to say thank you so much to all the people from all around the world who has supported me and many girls like me. It means a very lot to us because it has provided a very bright future to us. I'm very thankful and thank you so much.
You can help someone else make different choices that they in turn will pass on to their next generation. So people will continue to make better and better choices both for themselves and for the environment in which they live. I mean, that's true sustainability and that's true change.